Next topic we are going to see is open source software tools. Another one topic we are going to see HIDE SQL, which is used to create the desktop application tool, which is also called as a desktop application tool, and it is an open source tool which is also helps in MySQL administration for better database system, and it is an open source. It is not only used for MySQL, and it's also used for Microsoft SQL Server and SQLite. So all these apps are basically runs on the backend with the help of HIDE SQL. HIDE SQL is a tool which is used to manage overall the operations of the databases, MySQL databases. And then these programs, these apps are written in Java, and it is support GUI features, GUI elements. So it is also visually used to represent the data on the screen. And then next, which is used, it is also used to manage the servers. So it used some protocols. Protocols, what mean? Last year you have studied what is protocol. It is a set of rule which is used to connect with the client and server, and this HIDE SQL uses protocols, compressed client server protocols, which are used with the servers. So it is act as an interface with the servers. And then here it is also helpful for server host. So what is server host? It is also used to view, edit the server variables. So it is used to edit the server variables, and here also used some GUI elements which are used to monitor the server operations, which are used to connect to the client server communication processing, and it is used to monitor the server host. And then next, it is used to view the connected databases on the server and connect to the database to work with tables and data. So here it is used to view what are all the databases connected on the server. Last time we have seen about MySQL. In MySQL there is one default table named as user table. In your book we have studied already. In MySQL user account, we are creating the named user table, and in the table we are having the what are all the user, that is client, those who are wanted to join in create an account in MySQL. So all the details of the clients are stored in this table, user account. What are all the user, how many users? 5 users. Now all the 5 user details, name, password, so everything is stored in user table, and these processes are handled by the MySQL server, and this account handling is also managed by HIDE SQL. So HIDE SQL, which is used to connected the databases on the server, and it is also used to create the tables, and while fetching the data with the help of some commands. Here what is queries? Queries are the commands which are used to fetch the data records from the table, and these queries are also managed with the help of HIDE SQL.